Hi everyone, today we're going to make a very simple and delicious hot and sour sweet potato noodles in Chinese, 酸辣粉. And I've been using this cream brand sweet potato noodles. Surprisingly, in the store, most of them are cream brands. They're very good. I already rinsed some noodles in cold water. You don't need to soak the noodles. It only takes a few minutes, actually 7 minutes to cook them. And to go with the noodles, I'm going to pan fry some peanuts. Of course, if you have store-bought roast peanuts or soybeans, you can use that and just skip this step. And a flat pan, we heat up the pan to high heat and add some vegetable oil. And this is raw shelled peanut with skin. It's about 1 cup. In addition to using for the noodles, this is very good snacks. I love peanuts. Do you love peanuts? So first we just coat the peanuts with oil. And then we turn the heat to medium low. And we'll pan fry about 8 to 10 minutes. And occasionally just move them around. Okay, almost 10 minutes. You can see the color very dark now. And it's all cooked inside, but if you try now, it's very soft inside. We need to let it cool off completely and it will become very crispy. So we're going to take out the peanuts onto a plate with paper towel. Soak up the oil. I can't wait to eat it. Now we are ready to cook our noodles. The water is boiling. We are going to cook the noodles. It's going to take 7 minutes and the noodles will be perfect. While we're waiting for the noodle to be cooked, I'm going to make the sauce. So I have the homemade chili oil. Depends on how spicy you like. Have some chili oil and Sichuan pepper powder. And this white pepper powder. This also adds spiciness. And light soy sauce. Dark vinegar. So that would be sour part of the sauce. And since we're going to make a vegetarian today, we're not going to use stock, and instead I'm going to just use hot water. So add some hot water. Our sauce is ready. After 7 minutes, our noodles ready. Let's take it out into our bowl. Smells good. Now we add some more peanuts. More, right? More for me. And garnish with green onions. If you don't mind cilantro or chopped cilantro. And our noodles is ready. Smells so good. Should I try for you guys? Why not, right? You're going to excuse my slurping. It's spicy, sour, and peanuts. Crunchy, crispy. If you don't have good appetite, this noodle soup really going to help you. So good. And also, it's vegetarian. And I hope you guys are going to try to make it. Please make it and let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.